Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Canon SX620HS camera to your smartphone over Wi-Fi. Hope you will enjoy this video. So let's start the video. So guys, to connect your smartphone with your Canon camera, you need to download an app called Camera Connector. Here you can see the app. So first go to the Google Play Store and download this app. If you are use iOS device, then download this app from the App Store. After downloading this app, open it. Then accept the license agreement of this app. First time you will see this instruction. Now click on the Let's Get Started. Okay, now to connect this camera with this app, click on this plus symbol. Here you can see all Canon devices are showing. From here you need to select your Canon device. So at the search option, just search your device with the model number. My Canon model number is SX62. Okay, here is my device. So after finding this device, just select the device. Now here is two connecting option, NFC and Wi-Fi. You can connect your device to both NFC and Wi-Fi, but in this video I'll show you only the Wi-Fi connecting option. So to connect the Wi-Fi, just select Wi-Fi. Now click on next. Now if you like to share your device location, then you can do this from here. Now guys, I need to turn on my camera. Then I need to press this button to turn on Wi-Fi. Now from this option, select smartphone. Okay. Now from here, select add device. Here you can see the camera is searching for Wi-Fi. Now select switch network. Here you can see all available Wi-Fi networks name are showing. So just select your Wi-Fi. Then submit your Wi-Fi password. Now again go to your Canon camera app. On the Canon camera app, you will see this notification with your Canon camera device model number. So just tap on the device name. Now I need to allow it from my Canon camera. Just select yes. And OK. Okay, here you can see my smartphone now connected with my Canon camera. Now guys, you can control your camera with this app. Now friends, I like to show you some settings of this app. With this app, you can input pictures from your camera to your smartphone. Here you can see all my pictures of my Canon camera are showing on my smartphone. You can input pictures on your smartphone with this app. You can also shoot pictures remotely with your smartphone with this app. You can also zoom in and zoom out from this app. Here is my Canon camera battery percentage is showing. Here is also some settings: lock screen orientation, live view rotation, and mirror live view display. Guys, you can also control your camera flashlight from here. In the function section, 5 options are available. In this section, there are some more options available. In the app section, two options are available, cloud and printer. So guys, in this way you can connect your Canon SX620HS camera to your smartphone over Wi-Fi. Also in this way you can connect any other model of Canon camera. Guys, if you do not have any Wi-Fi or at outside and want to import an image or control your camera with your smartphone, then you can do it. I have another video on this topic. You can find that video link in this video description. So friends, that's all. I hope you find this video helpful and also like this video. If you are, please click on the like button. If you have any question or suggestion, then please comment below. Subscribe now for more upcoming tech videos on this channel. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe. See you in the next video.